welcome to another video. So today we're going to be removing these two nails off my right hand. I was removing my nails and I thought I might as well show you how to do that. So for those of you that didn't see the video where I did these nails, I used the Varnail solid extension gel and I did the pop-off method using full cover tips. So I just want to show you how to remove this solid extension gel by doing the soak off method. So before I soak these off, firstly I'm going to go in with my Efile and debulk. So I'm using my amazing, love this Efile, it's great, I keep it on my desk all the time. I've only had to recharge it once since I've had it and I use it quite a lot. So this is the Melodysusie Atena Efile and I'm going to be using the Melodysusie medium carbide crosscut bit. I'm going to pop that on, then I need to turn the rotation around and I'm going to leave it on setting number 2 because I just find that is enough for me. I never seem to need to put it on setting number 3. And let me just say as well guys, look at that artwork and yeah, don't come at me about the growth on these nails. I'm really bad at maintaining my own nails, really bad. So to start with, I cut the tip down and all I do is cut the side like that and it just flicks off where the natural nail ended. So I'm going to change the direction to that way. Oh, this is so awkward to do on camera, guys. I hate filing on camera. It's really awkward. You want to get your hand in the most comfiest and sturdiest position for you.
Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? Just everything I can't think of. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely outside.
So all I've done is just remove most of the bulk. Right, so I've got these removal pads, guys. So you tear the top off, pull that wet wipe out, and fold it, and try and fold it round like that. Then you've got this little clear tab here. You need to pull that off like that. Pop your finger in the sachet like that. Make sure your nail's still covered and then just pull it as tight as you can around your finger like that. Then just fold it over. And then I'm going to leave that for about 10 minutes and I shall do this one as well. Pull that off, remove that clear tab. And then just squidge the end in. So I'm going to leave them for 10 minutes and then we shall come back and see if they're ready. Right, so I'm going to take this middle one off first. As you can see, it is starting to like flake off already. So I'm just taking my cuticle scraper, cuticle pusher, and look at it all scraping away. And it goes a bit like a kind of gummy texture. Don't worry if you can't get it all off. And if you find that it's not all come off like that, there's still some left on your nail plate, you can always put your finger back in again and give it a little bit longer. I might do that just for that little end bit there. Should we have a look at the pinky? Oh, I love it when it all comes off in big lumps like this. Then you can just take probably a 240 file. See, I'm not doing this on my natural nail. I'm only going over that solid extension gel. And then once it starts getting down to the natural nail, I just get a little buffer and then just buff the rest off. And you'll see, guys, when I'm using my non-dominant hand and I'm removing off my dominant hand, I still let my dominant hand do most of the work. Like, I'll be holding the buffer, but I'm still moving my finger rather than moving the buffer. So I still let my dominant hand do most of the work, because I'm really cack-handed when it comes to my non-dominant hand. Just give this one a little bit of a file. So there we are, guys. That is them all removed, ready for a new set. I'm so excited. I love putting a whole new set on my nails because I don't get around to doing them that often. I really enjoy it. So now we're going to do a little bit of cuticle prep. So I'll show you how I do that. So again, I'm going to be using my Melodysusie Atena Efile. And I've got this really nice little, I call it a cuticle bit, but I don't actually know what the real name of it is. Turn the Efile on, pop it on to setting number 1. Now I'm going to go round. This wants to be pushing my cuticles backwards. So I'm popping that flat to my natural nail. I'm not putting no pressure on that at all. I'm just letting the bit do the work. And what that's doing is it's getting rid of any of that dead skin that's stuck to my nail plate, and it's also pushing my cuticles back as well. Right. So that's my cuticles all pushed back. I'm going to get these fantastic cuticle scissors, and I mean fantastic these are. One of my best ever buys. I bought these from Shein, guys. I'll leave the link for them in my description box if anyone wants to go over and buy some. They are brilliant. Now you need to be super careful with these, guys, because they are so sharp. So there we are, guys. That is my nails all removed, ready for a new set. All they need now is a little bit of cuticle oil. Give him a little bit of nourishment. Then I shall probably give him a rest for a day or so. And then I shall give him a brand new set again. So there we go. So that's them all removed and prepped, ready to go for a new set. I really, really like them cuticle scissors. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I have got a 12% off discount code for Melodysusie, guys, which is Gina12. So if anyone's interested in buying any drill bits or this amazing drill, love that drill, head on over and save yourself some money. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, guys, I have got a giveaway on at the moment. A massive, massive giveaway. Loads of fantastic prizes to be won. If you've not already entered for that, head on over for that. I'll probably leave the link for that video at the end of this one, if I remember to. So yeah, head on over and enter for that if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.